Hi, in this video we are going to see how to generate API key from Google's account. Because YT application works completely with the API key of Google, so it is necessary for you to generate an API key before working on our system. Just follow the process of generating an API key. It is a very simple procedure. You can generate the API key in 2 to 3 minutes. Let's follow. Go to the new browser. Just in the Google search engine, just type console.developers.google. See, you can see console.developers.google.com. Just click on it. It will ask you to log in. Once you log in, it will go for API and services, and you can see console.developers.google.com. Now you can click on new project. Just select your project name as YT Engine and click on create. So new project has been created as a YT Engine. Just click on it. You can see the YT Engine project has been selected. Now click on the three icons in the Google API. Just click on enable API and service. Just type YouTube Analytics. Just enable this. It has been enabled. See, you can then just click on Google API once again. The three icon. Now type maps JavaScript API. Just click on enable. And the next step you just to generate is click on the three icons once again. And just click enable API and service. And generate YouTube data API. Just enable it. So now it has been enabled all the three APIs. You can see we have enabled for YT Engine, we have enabled the three API services. Now click on credentials. Just click on create credentials. See, you can see API key. This is the where we need to generate an API key. And API key has been created. Copy the API key. Copy. Fine. And close. You can just create another API key. You can create unlimited API keys here. Then click on go to dashboard. In the settings, You can see the API key here. Just update the API key and click on save. So it's a very simple procedure for you to generate an API key. Once you generate the API key, you can access the system completely without any restrictions. So it is always mandatory for you to fill the API key. Please let me know if you have more questions. You can feel free to write me on krish@whiteengine.com. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.